You have a state that's used to be known for its innovation, used to be known for being on cutting edge, leading the nation, and suddenly is issuing IOUs for, for covering basic services in California. That's a sign that we're in big, big trouble. And I think there's a sense that the legislators, the state government is not able to fix the problem. That they've tried. They can't even come up with a budget on a regular basis. They never meet any timelines anymore, and that really the system is just as broken can be. And so as a result of that, we have to do something like a constitutional convention, which really is not that. In California, people are sort of making a big deal out of it, but there are states that on a regular basis call constitutional conventions. It's just something that you have to do every now and then to fine-tune your system. To think that we could come up with a system that is 100 years old or 200 years old and it's still going to work in the 21st century. Just to give you one example, in 1787, when they designed the federal constitution, we had 200,000 voters. They were all white men of property, and we're obviously not that country anymore. We're a very diverse country, the idea that a piece of paper we created a long time ago could still be so relevant in the 21st century, it shouldn't be surprising to people that we have to upgrade what we're doing. Well, I think no matter your political persuasion, when you have a government that can't pay its debts, and when you have an education system that is at the bottom of the barrel nationwide, and when you have, we have a lot of infrastructure questions coming up in California about water and transportation, global warming. All these things affect everybody, regardless of, what partisan hat you put on. If you can't breathe the air, you can't drink the water, you can't get to work because it's clogged with traffic. Those are not partisan issues. And right now, California is not working to solve those issues. And I think part of it is because our basic governmental structures are just rooted in a time where that is bygone, and that's why we need to be looking at better ways to elect our representatives, different political reforms, different budgetary reforms that are going to just be better for California. I just think that is what's, regardless of your political persuasion, there's something in it for everybody when you think about it from that bigger picture point of view.